Okay guys, I promised I had one other piece of merch, new merch that I wanted to open on here live. So here you go, it starts here. Wanted to just share the whole process. This is my sample. I should have told you that first. This is my sample. So I haven't actually seen these just yet. It's packed very well. Okay, so this is a new collaboration that I'm doing with this company called LulaRose, and I'm so excited about this company. They are based in Massachusetts, which is where I am from. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this beauty. I love it. It's 1 inch thick, 4 by 6 inches. How beautiful. 4 by 6 inches, 1 inch depth. Oh my God, totally love this. This is the FASHUN II print. So if you go to shop.imlauraman.com, these are linked. Go to shop art in the navigation bar, and you're just gonna scroll all the way down to, I think it says LulaRose collaboration. And there's a series of acrylic blocks. These are the acrylic blocks. So I'm gonna be adding more prints that you can print in the acrylic blocks. Right now on my website, I do not have acrylic blocks as one of, I can't put two words together today, as one of the merch options, but how gorgeous. How gorgeous. This is thick, it's got depth. And again, this is the FASHUN II print. This is one of my best-selling prints, and this is the first time I've actually seen these physically held one. I've only seen it online and in video, but here you go. It is so gorgeous. Let me know what you think, guys. I think it's such a great gift idea, and I'm so excited to have these up and on the website because the holidays are upon us. They really are, and I've already started thinking about my holiday shopping, you know, just getting ahead of it. So here's the acrylic blocks. I think these retail for $40, but let me know what you think. So again, there is a whole series of prints available in the acrylic block. This is the FASHUN II print. We'll be sharing more of those later. I do have another shipment of these coming probably next week, so I'll get on here and show those off as well. Love, you know how much I love merchandising. But anyway, this is the first I've seen of these. Love, and I'm so thrilled. Let me know what you think.